Once you've found the target, it's time to see what's running inside. Welcome back to Pentesting Fundamentals. I'm Saber. Recon mapped the digital fence. Now we're checking every door and window. This is scanning and enumeration. Our mission is threefold. Identify open ports, discover the services running on them, and enumerate the specific details of the target system. We use tools like Nmap to send packets to specific ports. We're looking for a response that tells us a port is open and ready for a connection. A standard scan identifies common ports like 80 for web or 22 for SSH. This builds our initial list of potential entry points. But knowing a port is open isn't enough. We need enumeration identifying the exact version of the service and the operating system behind it. By extracting these fingerprints, we can search for known vulnerabilities specific to that version. This is how we find our way in. Scanning identifies the surface. Enumeration analyzes the details. Together, they create the blueprint for our active attack. We have the blueprint. In our next lesson, we're moving to Phase 3, Vulnerability Analysis. We'll find the crack in the armor. See you there.